I locked the door already. You cannot fly outside because yesterday you fly already.
Baby, clean your mouth.
Baby.
Clean.
Clean your mouth, please. Baby. Baby. Fly, please. You learn to fly. I know.
Open your wing. Open your
You
wing.
can fly already.
Baby. Baby.
You have new food.
Oh yes, I have new food.
Yes.
Baby.
Baby already have new food. Yes. You eat. You want to eat new food? Yeah, I have extra food for you. Here.
Here.
Look at that.
Here is new food for
Extra
baby.
food for you. Okay. Try.
Baby.
You want to try?
New food.
Please. You cannot. Not eat yet, eh? Oh, you want to try? Wow.
Baby fly, baby.
Wow. I'm so afraid you go and never come back.
I'm so scared when you open your wing like this.
Yeah, baby, don't go far from me, okay? You just right in house, no outside, no